Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about HBAR targets updates with my customer request set. Let's dive in. Guys, I highly recommend you now use the new feature on YouTube. Just go to settings on this video and choose the audio language, not just the subtitles. Just choose the audio, and it's a new feature, auto dap from YouTube. So guys, the main targets personally for me for HBAR absolutely relevant, so I highly recommend you go and check the main video about HBAR. I want to focus now on the local targets with my customer request set on a weekly and a daily to double check what we can see in the next few weeks or in the summer. So guys, I made a post, the text post, and I highly recommend you follow the free Telegram channel and explain it my idea about this summer. So the best case scenario now for altcoins, if the BTC will go to new all-time high, because a lot of people now wait till the sell and main go away, even, but not hit the new all-time high. But the scary moment is can be the new all-time high, and we can just sweep the high like in autumn 2021 on a BTC, because not so often we leave some round numbers like 110.000 for BTC and not sweep that high, right? So we can come back, sweep the high on a BTC, form the new all-time high. Everybody who traded classic technical analysis start talking about, oh, we break the new all-time high, now up only because of and some reasons why when we hit the new all-time high we break the level and we have to correct it to new all-time high, because there's open space, no resistance, nothing, so just open space to the moon, right? But it can be the trap, especially by end of May, before the last volatile summer, and it's kind of can be bad for alts if we sweep the high, and BTC dominance will be at the same level, like 63, 64, 65, maybe even go to 70, while BTC go into correction. So alts will bloody more. In this case, the HBAR target for summer still in play. It's a test of the buy line. Now it's 8 cents. It's hard to believe, guys, so we can drop that low, right? But technically, it's like 145% down. Yes, I'm counting that way, not like this one, because it's wrong. It's not like 59% down. No, guys, it's a 145, because if you buy now to out at a break even, you need to recover back 145% back. It's a bad case scenario, right? The good case scenario, if BTC break the new all-time high, and we will see the DeFi summer, BTC go into new all-time high around 139K, what I've shared with you before, and I explained the reason why exactly that numbers, and the BTC dominance go higher and altcoins go higher, right? Or BTC dominance go down and altcoins go higher. It's kind of okay scenario. The best case scenario for altcoins, if the BTC sweep the high or not sweep the high, and go into correction, but while the summer BTC will be into correction 3 months, right? And prepare BTC for new all-time high in autumn, BTC dominance will go down and alts perform during the summer 3 months, hit the highs, and after that, by end of August, beginning of September, October, right? The people who invested in altcoins, low cap, middle cap tokens, fix the profit, and it will be the full for a BTC to hit new all-time high in autumn. That's why, guys, like usual, there's many case scenarios. We have to be ready for all of them. That's why you have to mark the zone of interest. For long run, I believe, once again, guys, I believe in 65 cents for HBAR. Not crazy numbers like $1, $2, $5 with all of that partnership. 65 cents for HBAR, by my personal opinion. I can be right or I can be wrong. Only time will show us. 65 cents, it's around that numbers. The top of the cycle. Now, bad case scenario, it's 8 cents. It's a test of 18 level by FIB, close to the gap on the weekly here. So it's a test of the 27 block again. Buy line are dynamic, so it's hard to say where this line will be, for example, in June or July. So it can be here. For example, the full fill like 91061. It's hard to say the timing, guys, right? The next step for bullish step, it's a test, of course, a yearly open. So yearly open 2680. Now, honestly, it's kind of scary to accumulate a HBAR with potential drop like this one, because everything depends on BTC. So this kind of scary. It's really, really scary, guys. Daily time frame, yearly open, of course, it's a bullish one target. Let me check the buy line now on the daily. It's 12 cents 68. For the mel value on the daily, it's 9 cents 49. Of course, here's a take profit line, take profit exit line around here. So looks okay, but guys, I'm not sure now about HBAR. Everything, of course, depends on BTC, be it Trump, geopolitics in the world, and all of this stuff. But just by my feelings, by experience, the summer can be really bad for alts. I hope not, and I hope this is not a 2021 summer. No, I think this time will be different, of course, because this cycle we saw a lot of moments when the old patterns will not play out. Right, so I hope everything will be okay. So if you accumulate HBAR for the spot position, of course, guys, you can accumulate at 19, and after that accumulate at 8 cents. For example, average entry will be, let's say, 14 cents, and definitely at 30 cents you withdraw initial deposit with the free tokens. You can write to new all-time high. I believe in new all-time high for HBAR. So this is it. Let's close the take profit, trade on, guys. Sell, buy back. On the weekly, daily, it was a buy. Now we got to sell. So unfortunately, guys, yes, we can drop and sweep this low. Here's also the daily gap, weekly gap. This can be like a magnet. That's why, yes, it's kind of scary. Yeah, the bullish scenario, it's of course 26 cents. It can be even like this, yearly test and drop. In this area, yes, maybe I will be ready to buy for speculation HBAR. Now I'm not ready. I'm okay with the spot position now without the tokens. That's why I'm not buying the HBAR now. November here was a accumulation zone. Here is distribution. Now we're just in the middle. This is definitely not an accumulation zone. Same story on the weekly, guys. Here's a distribution. We're in the middle. So this is not accumulation time like it was here. Like here. So we're just in the middle. So that's why, yes, we can drop and not form the divergence. You just can drop to accumulation zone and continue rally higher. Now, guys, I better skip HBAR for long or for the spot. On the weekly, I need to see something like this one for accumulation. Now, nothing. Daily, same story. So here, this was accumulation, and after accumulation, for example, since here in average, it can be here, like 42%. It's good pump. Now we just in the middle. So I hate to see the situation like this one. And now a lot of people, you have to understand, that draw the trend lines like from the body candles or like this one. So let's say touch, we hold the line strong, right? We have to bounce. Yes, we can bounce to the yearly open, even like this one. Drop, test. Everybody talk about, oh yes, it's a crucial support 20 cents, and after that we can crash it down even to 8. That's kind of scary moment, guys. Now everything should be in time. And personally for me, I can be absolutely wrong. It's not a time accumulated the HBAR on a spot. The best zone, of course, it's 8 cents or 9. Market mood, guys, daily. This was a capitulation last one. Now it's a trill, hope, something like this one. Positive optimism, positive on market mood on the weekly. Of course, it's not a free like it was here, but it's not a capitulation. That's why, no, my take is the same. I better skip HBAR. Skip HBAR, the short, maybe some short position. I will take a look at 27 cents here at the test of the yearly open. Some short position. Weekly, it was accumulation. Accumulation at 13.55. Now we traded at 22. Daily, no money inflow, guys. Here, the last money inflow was here at 15.62. Here's the money outflow. Bullish target at 26.86 with potential opening short. This is like bullish and bearish. Crazy bullish case scenario. The same story, like bearish but bullish. Bullish for long run, bearish locally. It's a test of 8 cents. So guys, all targets, local one I explained to you. My targets for global run for HBAR I explained to you. If you would like to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.